Alrighty, so I'm going to quickly show you how to export your models from Tinkercad to get them ready for 3D printing. I am doing this on a computer, but it's going to look very similar on your iPads. So right here we have two different models. All right, if I want to say just print this model over here on the left, I can come over here where it says export and click export. Now it gives me the options of doing just the selected shape, which would just be this piece here, or you could also do everything in the design, so it would print both of those objects. Let's assume I want to just do the one on the left. We have a few options here for 3D printing. There's OBJ, there's STL, and there's also GLTF. We are always going to choose STL. It's like the most common 3D model format. And that's going to save that to my computer. All right. If you are on an iPad and you do this, once you click, do this again. Once you click STL, you need to click on Browse. Then you need to sort of save it to your iPad. All right. The one on the right, this one's a bit different because if you notice, it's sort of flat. If I were to tell you just kind of cut this out of, say, cardboard, you could easily do that. You could draw this. You can cut it out with some scissors. It's a pretty flat design, unlike the one on the left. So if I want to sort of prototype this right here, I could click on this one. Once again, I'm going to click export. And this time, I'm going to choose STL, but I'm also going to do this a second time and choose SVG. Because notice here it says for laser cutting. And what we can do by clicking SVG here is that instead of sending this to a 3D printer, which is going to take at least an hour or two, we can send it to the laser cutter and it'll be done in maybe a minute. So it's a much quicker way of prototyping this design. And we'd only do that for the first one or two prototypes, and then after that we'd move on to 3D printing for the later stages. But it's a nice way of quickly being able to get your prototype back and being able to test it. All right, that's all for now. Thank you.